Okay, sa pagpapatuloy ng ating recording, itong ibon na to, isa na siyang graphic symbol, no? So bilang patunay na ito'y isang graphic symbol, as a proof that this is a graphic symbol, okay, when you select this bird, uh, the light blue box appears. And aside from that, when you look at the properties menu, it says here graphic. At makikita mo yung logo ng graphic symbol right here. Maraming estudyante ang nagkakamali dito sa pag-convert sa symbol, ginagawa nilang movie clip, which is wrong. Okay? And aside from that, we have the instance of bird. The bird is the name of that graphic symbol right here at the stage. Okay? Now, outside the graphic symbol, we have a single frame and a single layer here. But if we get inside the graphic symbol by double-clicking on it, you can see that the graphic symbol has two layers, and one of the layers contains the animation, the frame-by-frame animation of the wings. Okay? And bilang patunay, no, and as a proof that we are inside the graphic symbol is we have this indicator right here that says bird. And it has the logo of the graphic symbol, triangle, circle, and square. Now, if we want to get outside of the graphic symbol, we press scene 1. So now in this video, we're going to duplicate this bird into probably 4 birds. Okay. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to press scene 1 to get outside of the graphic symbol. And then I'm going to resize this bird by pressing the free transform tool right here. So I'm just going to resize it and then just put it right here. Okay, so siguro mga 4 na ibon yung gagawin natin. Okay? And then after nyan, okay, I am going to add another layer here. Okay? And then what I'm going to do is I am going to open the library of Adobe Animate. So how am I going to do that? I'm going to press Window and then Library. And this is basically the library right here. Now, what is a library? It is a repository of symbols. The library is a repository of symbols. Imbakan siya ng symbols, particularly ng graphic symbol. At dahil yung ibon ay isang graphic symbol, matatagpuan siya ngayon, siya ay matatagpuan sa loob ng library. At lahat ng bagay na natatagpuan sa loob ng library, pwedeng ma-duplicate. So, itong ibon na to, pwedeng ma-duplicate yan. Okay? So, ang gagawin ko, yung ibon na to, i-drag ko papunta dito sa stage. Okay? Pero bago muna ang lahat, make sure na may isa ka pang layer dito para ma-drag itong ibon na to. So, ibig sabihin, one layer, one bird graphic symbol. One layer, one bird graphic symbol. Sa layer 2, or kung sa inyo layer 1, basta dyan sa layer na yan, naka-assign itong bird na to. Dito sa susunod na layer, i-assign ko ang ibon na to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it right here. And I'm just going to resize it. No? Okay. And then add another layer. Punta ako sa library right here. Ito yung shortcut ng library. Right here, it's the library. Or you can simply press window and then library. Add another bird para sa third layer. So we have 3 layers right here. And we have 3 birds. And probably I'm going to make it 4 birds. So another layer here. Punta sa library or window library. Hatakin uli ang ibon para sa susunod na layer. Okay, so make sure if you have 4 birds or 5 birds, you have 4 layers. So make sure that one layer is one bird. Okay, so tingnan natin. I-blind natin yung bawat layers. Ayan, so ayun, nakikita nyo, isa lang yung nawawalang ibon, no? What about this one? Ayun, yun yung nawala. Ito, yun yung nawala. And so on and so forth. So, yan. Okay? Then after nyan, guys, we can extend, okay? We can extend these keyframes right here. Let's just say we extend them to until frame 100. Okay? Frame 100 or kahit saan dyan, basta i-extend nyo siya. Okay? Extend nyo siya ng mahaba. Okay? So, right-click, insert frame. So, pag plinay mo yung playhead, no? When you scroll the playhead, makikita mo, nagfa-flap yung wings nila. And that's what happens. Okay? Ano ba ang nangyayari? Bakit sila gumagalaw ng ganyan? Okay. Kapag yung playhead na to ay ini-scroll mo, no? When you scroll this playhead, what happens inside these birds? Okay, let's get inside of one of the birds right here. Double click. Yung playhead sa loob niya, nagta-travel din. Pero dahil hindi naman umaabot ng frame 100, no? Hindi umaabot ng ganito kalayo yung animation sa loob. Ang nangyayari sa playhead niya, umuulit-uli sa umpisa. So naglo-loop siya. Okay. So balik tayo sa scene 1, labas tayo. Ito yung nangyayari. Yan. So pag press mo yung enter, when you press enter, so yan, nagfa-flap yung wings nila. So that's what you're going to do. Okay? So ayan. So kailangan meron kang flock of birds. A flock of birds. Okay? So ganyan. Okay? Alam nyo, meron akong nakalimutang details dito. Tingnan nyo. Oh. Nakalimutan kong lagyan ng kulay yung pakpak niya doon, no? Yung tip. So I'm going to duplicate. I'm going to get inside of that. Okay? So, okay. Labas tayo ulit ha. Papasok ako sa isa sa mga ibon na to. Tignan nyo. Pag pumasok ako sa ibon na to, yung ibang mga ibon lumalabo. Isa yan sa mga indicators na nasa loob ka. No? Isa yan sa mga indicators na nasa loob ka ng graphic symbol. So anyway, kukulayan ko lang yung ano niya. No? Yan, kukulayan ko lang to. So, hindi ko alam kung bakit siya hindi nagkulay kanina. Ayun, ano? So, madadamay na rin yung mga nandito sa labas. No? Madadamay na yan. So, ayan siya. Oops, mali na naman ako ng layer. Mali na naman ako ng layer. So, ayan. Ayan, no? So, ito yung loob ng isa sa mga graphic symbols. Okay? So, labas tayo ng scene 1. Ito sila ngayon. Okay? So, ito yung labas. Ito yung loob. Yan. So, ganyan yung gagawin ninyo. Okay? So, ito, iaangat ko lang para pasok. So, we have 4 birds. No? Yan. Pwede nating i-resize. No? I-resize natin. So, itong mga birds na to, tandaan ninyo, hindi sila magmo-move. No? They're not gonna move from left to right. Stationary lang sila na nagfa-flap ng wings. Diyan lang sila. Stationary lang sila. In place. Kumbaga, ang tawag sa kanya in place. No? So, sa mga susunod na video, lalagyan natin siya ng background, okay? Pero may iba tayong gagawin sa susunod na video. At ito yung tinatawag na looping options. Okay? Looping options. Okay? So I'm gonna see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.